I will presentation about influence of seaweed flour in ransom on the efficiency of the use of chicken broiler proteins. Preliminary. Broiler are a cheap source of animal proteins compared to other meat. The advantage of broiler is that they grow very fast, so they can be sold before the age of 5 weeks. Weight an average weight of 1.5 kg. Broilers are very efficient in turning feed into meat. The cost of feed reaches 17% of the total cost of production and increases protein efficiency. The use of local feed ingredients is an alternative to reduce production costs. The main nutritional context that play an important role for the growth of broiler chickens is protein, energy, vitamin, mineral, and water. Material and method. The material used in the study was 120 unsex broiler chicken eggs, 70 day weight, and average initial body. The radiation used in the study contained 20 cold protein and 2,900 kcal of energy. The ration was prepared with the basic ingredients of yellow corn, rice bran, white polar, fresh meat, polar meat meal, soybean meat, and wheat flour. The cages used were colony cages consisting of 24 float light weight and height of each float is filled with 5 broiler as a trial unit. Protein consumption in chicken T0 was significantly higher than in T1, T2, and T3 treatment. This is because the consumption of T0 ration is also higher than other treatment. High ration consumption at T0 causes high protein consumption because rations are made iso protein and iso energy. Giving seaweed flour is thought to cause the color of the feed to be darker. The T1, T2, and T3 ration have a darker color than the T0 ration, which have bright and yellow color. The high consumption of ration, the higher the consumption of protein, and vice versa. If the consumption of ration is low, the consumption of protein is also low. Added weight agency. The results of statistical analysis showed that when treatment did not show a significant difference effects on body weight gain of broiler chickens. This shows that high protein consumption in the thinol treatment was not followed by a significant increase in body weight compared to T1, T2, and T3. Seaweed has a complete nutritional content that can increase body weight gain of broiler chicken. Root protein data giving seaweed flour did not have a significant effect on the digestibility of crude protein. This is due to the protein content of all rations for the same treatment, which is 20%. The context of dietary protein affects the digestibility of crude protein. Status that high or low protein digestibility depend on the protein content of feed ingredient and the amount the protein that enter the digestive tract. Protein is first digested in the prosopagmus, where there is a glandular stomach that secretes pepsinogen and HCl to break down the tertiary structure of the feed protein. Protein efficiency ratio. Statistical results showed no significant effect on the ratio of protein efficiency. Protein consumption in the thinol treatment was significantly different than the T1, T2, T3 treatment. However, body weight gain in all treatment was not significantly different statistical. This shows that the treatment with seaweed flour is more efficient than the control treatment because less protein consumption results in a high body weight gain. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.